10 seconds, 5 seconds. Ready? Start. Thereafter, a similar request was made to the Speaker by Sri Dharam Singh, another member of the Vidhan Sabha elected as a candidate of the HJC to recognize the merger of the HJC with the INC and to also recognize him along with the other four legislators as members of the INC in the Haryana Vidhan Sabha. Stop. Subsequently, another application was filed by Sri Dharam Singh before the Speaker on 10th November 2009, requesting him to be recognized as a part of the INC in the Haryana Vidhan Sabha. Stop. The Speaker, by a separate order, allowed the said application upon holding that the same was in consonance with paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution. Stop. Challenging the aforesaid orders, the respondent number 1, Sri Kuldeep Bisnoi, filed 5 separate petitions before the Speaker under Article 191 read with the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India and the Haryana Legislative Assembly Rules 1986 on the ground that they had voluntarily given up the membership of their original political party and had joined the INC in violation of the provisions of paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule. Stop. On receipt of the said petitions, the Speaker on 22nd December 2009 forwarded copies thereof to the concerned MLAs, asking them to submit their comments within a period of 3 weeks. Stop. On 7th April 2010, applications were received by the Speaker from the concerned MLAs praying for time to file their written statement. Stop. Next para. The matter was accordingly adjourned and further time was granted to the concerned MLAs to file their explanation. Stop. The respondent number 1, however, filed a writ petition in the Punjab and Haryana High Court seeking quashing of the orders passed by the Speaker on 9th and 10th November 2009 and also for a declaration that the 5 MLAs in question were disqualified from the membership of the Haryana Vidhan Sabha and in the alternative for a direction on the Speaker to dispose of the disqualification petitions within a period of 3 months. Stop. Notice of motion was issued to the respondents on directing them to enter appearance and to file their written statements within 3 days before the next date of hearing fixed on 1st November 2010 either in person or through a advocate. On receipt of notice from the High Court, the Speaker, by his order dated 30 August 2010, adjourned the hearing of the disqualification petitions signed die. Full stop. On 20th December 2010, the learned single judge of the High Court allowed the writ petition and directed the Speaker to finally decide the disqualification petitions pending before him within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order, which direction has given rise to the question as to whether the High Court, in its jurisdiction under Articles 226 and 227 of the Constitution, was competent to issue such a direction to the Speaker, who was himself a constitutional authority. Stop. Next para, in terms of the order passed by the learned single judge, the date of hearing of the five disqualification petitions was fixed for 20th January 2011 by the Speaker. Stop. On the said date, Dhram Singh, one of the appellant before us, filed his reply before the Speaker along with an application for striking out the scandalous, frivolous, and vexatious statements made in the disqualification petition. Stop. The matters had to be adjourned on the said date till 4th February 2011 to enable the writ petitioner to file his reply to the said application and for further consideration. Stop. On the very next day, letters patent appeal number 366 of 2011 was filed by the Speaker challenging the order passed by the learned single judge of the High Court. Stop. On 1st March 2011, the said LPA was listed before the division bench, which stayed the operation of the judgment of the learned single judge. Stop. Next para, a submission was also made by the learned Solicitor General of India, appearing on behalf of the Speaker, that every attempt would be made to dispose of the disqualification petitions as expeditiously as possible. Stop. Therefore, the disqualification petitions were taken up for hearing by the Speaker and the case was adjourned for the further arguments. On 20th April 2011, counsel for the parties were heard and order was reserved on the application under Order Rule 6, Rules 2 and 16 of the Code of Civil Procedure, which had been filed by Sri Dharam Singh. Stop. By his order, the Speaker dismissed the said application filed by Dharam Singh, and Sri Kuldeep Bisnoi was directed to file his list two witnesses along with their affidavits within 15 days from the date of the order. Stop. It was also mentioned in the order that counsel for the respondents would be given an opportunity to cross examination. Full stop.